It's from Pakistan Mathematics Academy. So we are going to do trigonometry, the cosine rule. So it says here in A, use the cosine rule to find the value of theta and x in the following. So our first question is a triangle of A, B, and C. So we need to look for this value here. So we are going to use the cosine formula to find this value. So the cosine formula is gonna be c squared, because we're looking for the c value, which is x. So it's gonna be sine to the power of 2 equal a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 minus 2 times a times b. Since we are looking for the c value is, say, c to the power of 2 equal a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 minus 2 times a times b. And then we say cos c. Since AB is the opposite of angle C, and AB and angle C is the opposite of AB, which is X. So you're going to say cos C. And then from there, we're going to write the X squared, since this value is an X. So you're going to write X squared equal, and then the value of A is 10. So it's 10 squared plus 13 squared. Here's the 13, alright, squared. 13 squared minus 2 times 10 times 13 cos 50 degrees. From here, it's cos angle C. And what is angle C? It's 50 degrees. Alright? From there, we solve and we find our answer. So it can be x squared equal, we can insert this in a calculator. 10 squared plus 10 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 10 times 13 cos 50. Alright, so you can put that in a calculator and then find our answer. Our answer is 101, 8752215. From there, we can say x squared equal 101, 88. Since here it's a 5, so it's going to be 101,88. And then from there, we square both sides. So our x value, which is opposite of angle C, is going to be 10,09. And that's our answer. And that's how we do it. On to our second question, which is a triangle of ABC, and we have all the values, but we need to find angle B. So from here, we're gonna put B squared equal A squared, A to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2 minus 2 times A times C cos of B, which is unknown. So now insert the values of A, B, and C. So B's value is 12, A's value is 8, and C's value is 7. But the angle of B we don't know, so we need to solve that. So we're going to insert the values. 12 to the power of 2 equal 8 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 8 times 7, which is 2 times A times C. A's value is 8, C's value is 7. And then cos theta, can write cos theta, cos angle theta. Okay? From there we solve. So here it's going to be 144 equal 8 squared plus 8 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 is 113. From here, we can just close brackets this information. See, from here we can close brackets this information. So it's going to be minus close brackets 2 times 8 times 7. So it's 112 cos theta. And what we're trying to find here is this cos theta. So we want to take this 113, bring that side, bring to the other side, it's going to be 144 minus 113. And then from here you can just remove the brackets. So it's going to be negative 112 cos theta. Alright, from there we just simplify and we solve. So it's 31 equal negative 112 cos theta. So we need to make this value here, the value next to cos theta, positive. So what we do, we will swap these two around. So it's going to be 112 cos theta equal negative 31, and then we divide 112 on both sides. 112 both sides. So it's going to be cos theta equal negative 0.28. Alright. From there we bring this cos to the other side, so it's going to be theta equal cos to the power of negative 1 negative 0.28. From there we must remove this negative value. Alright, so it's going to be cos to the power of negative 1 brackets 0.28, and then our answer is going to be 73.74. From there we use the reference angle method, so it's going to be theta 108 minus 73.74. Then our answer here is going to, so our answer is going to be 106.26. And that's how you do it. We on to our third question. Here is just a mistake. Must be 3. So our next question here, we, we have a triangle ABC, and then we need to find this angle that's opposite B. So we're gonna first insert the cosine formula, which is b to the power of 2 equal a to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2 minus 2 times a times c cos of b, which is 55 degrees, comma 5. So from there, we insert the values. So this is how it looks like. So c's value to the power of 2, c's value is 27, a's value is 24. So we're gonna insert the information, and then from there we solve, and then we square both sides. It will give us this answer. Enjoy maths, practice maths from Baksa Mathematics Academy.